Hi there, today with this new video we're going to present you a new accessory that has been designed and made exclusively by GDI for the new Lorentz Z2 pulse induction detector, this one. Of course, I believe that this video is going to be very interesting for all of you, our international friends, owners of this machine. Well, as you know, pulse induction detectors operate with really big frame coils like these that we have here in our shop, and they incorporate really high transmit power. So the battery voltage drops considerably faster compared to VLF machines. This is the case with the new Lorentz Z2. Here we have the main unit. And as you might recall, older versions of Lorentz machines had an external battery that was placed at our back here as a backpack. But in order to make the machine more comfortable and more compact, the battery on the new model is internal. So the battery is internal, of course, it's much more easier to handle. But what happens about 2 hours after you operate it with a fully charged battery, you will notice that the battery meter starts to go down. And that is something the professional user does not want to happen, okay? If we have good battery voltage, we have also good power, we have good depth. Of course, there is an external battery pack that is made by the manufacturer, Lorentz, and this is it. I'm going to show you now. This is the external battery pack. It also has a GPS, but of course it's a quality part, but the price is higher. So in order to aid our customers, we have designed this external battery pack, as I told you, specifically made for the new Lorentz Z2. It has here a very good quality leather case. It is genuine leather, as you can see, made by an international brand, Kodak Gear. And here, by this strip and this clip, you can use it and carry as a hip mount case, like that. You see here this really very durable spiral cord. It can extend from about 37 centimeters to about 1 meter, like that. It's very durable, no worries about it. And here we have the top quality Nutric connectors, exactly the ones used by the manufacturer Lorentz. So you cannot find any better connector worldwide than the Nutric connectors. To charge this battery pack, you only need to connect the standard, original battery charger provided by Lorentz. Like that, it will snap, it will make a tight fit here, and you can recharge the battery pack. The other connector is used to power Lorentz Z2. You can either power Lorentz Z2 and by the same time you recharge the internal battery of the main unit. If we open this leather holster inside, we can see that here exists a battery pack. So after 5 to 7 years, depending on the usage, you can simply exchange this from GDI. And for sure we have a fuse, so we can avoid any short circuits and we can guarantee that the product will continue to work many years without any worries. Okay, my friend, some people are asking us if this has been tested on the Lorentz, if it will void the guarantee of it. We give 2 years guarantee for our battery pack, and we can assure you that there will be not any problems with the guarantee of the machine nor the external battery pack will bring any problems to you. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration here. Here is the main unit of the Lawrence Z2. We can power on by holding these two knobs here. It will power on, and you can notice that we have a battery meter here. Okay, this is a battery meter. Battery is really down. It only has 2 segments. And in a few minutes it will go even lower. So what I'm going to do here to demonstrate what we have come up to help you with this problem, I will simply connect here the battery pack. We have to align the pins and check what will happen. We connect the external battery made by GDI, and the battery power is up to the maximum. So this way you avoid having problems with the machine, and the price is considerably lower than the manufacturers. Of course, GDI makes also other special accessories made for the Lawrence Z2. Here we have the Super Probe. Is a fully waterproof connector. I'm going to demonstrate this one on a new video. It can be made with 2.5 meters cable and up to 12 meters cable. What you can do with this one, you can check that the target is a surface target before you dig. You can use it inside the excavation hole. For example, you can use it in the soil that you get out of the excavation. If in case you have a crack, if you have a hole, you can simply drop it down, even in water, even in seawater, you can drop it down and you can extend your depth range, for example. Super Probe, a very useful accessory for the Lawrence Z2 that we're going to show you in a future video. Down at the description of this video, I'm going to give you a link so that you can go in our website and check all the specification and the price for our new external battery pack made specifically for Lawrence Z2. Also, I'm going to remind you that in our company, GDI, we do manufacture pulse induction detectors. We have the knowledge to do that. We offer this machine, Geosynthesis X3, that has really good depth and is very easy to use. Top of the range detector with extremely good depth ranges that can be operated by anyone only with a simple reset key. And of course, we promote Lawrence Z2 that has been designed for the professional user. It has many professional functions inside. which if you spend the time to learn is going to give you very good performance. So my friends, thank you one more time for staying with us. Remember that we have a link down below at the description of the video with useful information about our new external battery pack for Lores Z2. Until next time, take care. Thank you very much.